updating some. We're going to be doing some coding challenges. The terminal This is bash command challenges. All right, to update. All right, there we go. We updated the titles. We had to do a little bit of title updating there. All right, let's get into it. I'm excited about this. Count the number of files in the current working directory. All right, how many files are there? Bash. Yes, you're right. So it is kind of a scripting language. It is therefore a programming language by definition. You wouldn't really build any software in Bash. I wouldn't say it's more of like a procedural piping thing for accessing and interfacing with various commands on Linux or any terminal window. That's what I call that. So yeah, there we go. So Bash. All right. So ls. So it says print the number of files in a single integer. As a single integer. We could do that. Oh, by the way, are you using shell check? Is it a good linter for Bash? I didn't even know that was a thing. That's a thing? I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't know. Wait, I want to look that up. Shell check. All right, what is this? A static analysis tool for shell scripts? What do you know? That's pretty neat. Okay, so obviously because they're shell scripts, they're scripting language, they're not compiled. You want to be able to lint them or the number of lines in access log that contain the string get. We could do that. That's easy. So it's the same command as before, but then I guess print the number of lines. So we could just say grep get and then access log pipe wc-l. Hey, there we go. We did it. Correct. All right. Now we're on a roll. Like that was a one shot. Okay. The file splitme.txt contains a list of numbers. So the idea is you write code on your own machine, then run shell check on that code file, and it gets sane errors. That totally makes sense. All right, all right, let's try it out really quick, just so we're all on the same page here. Shell check. How do we install it? How do we use? There's a yep. Okay, paste a shell script onto. Oh, neat. So there's a shell check right here. We could just run it right here. Look at that. There's a shell check online, a simple online tester. So right, ls pipe wc. Let's see. Wait, that is 100% an okay. That is absolutely okay. Let's see. Yippee. So wait. Okay, what's going on here? Does it say it's wrong? This is absolutely fully legitimate shell script code. I've got an idea. What if we did this? What if we did, so cat split me text, right? Whoops, nope. Cat split. Okay, so that takes that, right? What if we did this, right? Grep, or what if we, no, sed dash s, or maybe we just said s/ space g. Can we do that? Okay, so far so good. And then we say for in like number in this, do money num, or do echo money num, done. Okay. Haha, we did it. There we go. I know these things. I know what's going on. We got a correct answer. There we go. Correct answer. Yeah, there we go. Here's the answer. Here's my answer. I can do, this is the numbers 1 to 100 separated by spaces. So we have to generate numbers, right? So how do we do this? Echo money bracket 0.100, something like that. Although, is that, let's see, echo, how do we do this? There's a way to go about this. Can we echo, what if we did this? Okay, almost. There we go. Ha-ha! We did it again. The challenge has text files with a .txt extension. Okay, so there's text files in here. There's one about this challenge.txt. Okay, cat about. All right. I want my full terminal special characters. Oh wait, 1 second. We have to do a backslash here. Is it got spaces in it? We got to do backslash today, guys. So the thing is, there's spaces in this. So this makes that a challenge. Let's see here. How about, let's see. Let's see here. I think we have to say ifs equals \n. Can we do that? Maybe we could throw that in some quotes and then semicolon that. Nope, that's still not. Still, how do we? Okay, so when I need to look this up. Okay, so when bash shell new line characters as delimiter space ifs. Let's see. I need to look this up really quick. The internal field separator variable determines how shell recognizes the boundaries. Yep, ifs. All right, so I need to change it to. Okay, here we go. So I wasn't quite there yet. So this. All right, so let's try that. Let's see if that works. Hey, there we go. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. This should absolutely work. I know it's a pretty big bash line. It's not a simple, easy one. It should still work. I feel like it should work. All right. I don't see if there's anything else that we could do that would make this work better. No, it didn't. It did not. It did. Okay, this challenge has text files that contain the phrase, delete this phrase from all the text files. Okay. So I think it wants, instead of printing out the contents of the file, I think it wants me to actually edit the file, which we can do with sed. So I think we can do this with sed. Okay. Sed, edit file in place. How do we do that? Let's see. So we need to edit the file in place. So sed-i. Okay. So find dot star.txt. Can we do that? Find dot that. Okay. Dash type D. Not D. Dash file. Okay. So let's see here. What else? Now I've got all the files. Let's see. Do this. Grep txt. That should be good enough. Okay. All right. So this isn't doing anything. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Pipe sed-i /s/ challenges are difficult. Let's see if this works. Let's see if we can do this. I don't know if that'll work or not. So maybe we can do a for each with this. Maybe we can do a for each. So we'll do a for each. So like we had it up here earlier, we'll do a for each. So we'll sed the file. We don't need to cat it. We'll do it like this. Sed file -i. And then we specify the file, and that should do it. So then we actually modify the files in place. I'm pretty sure. Let's see if we can do this. All right, so do sed-i, challenges are tough, done. Do you think this will work? All right, so no input files. All right, we forgot to specify the file. Okay, so do we say money file here? Is that what we do? All right, let's try that. Sed e expression #1 char unknown command dot. Where is that? Oh, got it. Okay. So maybe we have to do it over here. Let's try this. Money file here. There we go. Hey, we did it. Hey, we did it. We didn't cheat. We didn't look at the solutions. We figured it out. We figured it all out. All it does is say, hey, you did it good. You correct. It won't give us any more details than that other than we got it correct. So here's the correct answer. That was tough. So let's get back over here to our command challenge. All right. The file sum.me.txt has a list of numbers, so I'm guessing it wants me to sum everything, right? So I know you can do this in Bash. You can say 1 + 1, right? Let's see, echo. I think you can do that. Wait, how do we do this? Money. Can we do that? No. What if we do this echo? 2. There we go. Okay, so I know we could do this. I know this works. I know you could do math like this. So that'll be 3. So can we... Wait, so let's say A equals 5. Can we do echo... Let's see here. Can we say A? Okay, we can. Okay. So... How do we do this? How will we go about doing this? Use sum. Is sum an actual word? Sum. It is. Oh, what? Wait. Sum is a checksum and count the blocks in a file. This is a checksum. It's not the same kind. I don't think it's the same kind of thing. Like sum exists, you want to sum numbers. Does it work too? Does this actually work too? You might be able to just run BC. Oh, basic calculator. That's what it is. BC, not B. Oh, I was doing it wrong. So BC. All right, BC. BC 1 plus 1. Let's see if we can do that. Or BC, the file name, sum-me.txt. Okay, so we need to convert. So what we could do, we probably need to convert it. So we need to pipe it. So we need to convert. Okay, so here we go. Sed dash I. Oh, no, sed. I suppose we, S / new line with a plus G. Sum. All right. Wait. Is that not working? Wait, what if we did it like this? What if we did dash R like that? No, it doesn't like that. What is the terminal thing? This is a game. It's called Command Challenge. This is a command challenge, and we're trying to solve it. This will be the last one we do. So what we can do is it wants us to sum all the numbers in a file and print the sum of the numbers. So we can do that. List has a list of numbers, and then we just need to sum all the numbers using bash commands. We'll try to do BC. I want to do BC. So what we need to do is we need to convert this, or what we could maybe do. Let's try this. Cat BC. I don't think that'll work. No, that does not work. Okay. So how do we? Maybe do M. Do we do M here as well? Nope. Okay. Let's see here. How do we get rid of? We can maybe use the tr command. All right, tr \n with a plus. Cat sum -me.txt pipe tr. All right, let's see if that works. Hey, there we go. Although we have one line at the end. We've got one line. So we've got one last thing to do here. I wonder if we could just pipe that to BC, if that'll work. Syntax error. Okay. What we could do. Oh, wait, here. I've got an idea. All right, so equation EQ equals, and then we say echo money EQ. Just double checking that looks good. Okay. Can we do that into BC? No, it doesn't like it because there's a trailing. So what we could do is we could grep that out. I am looking for the, let's see, let's do, no. We'll sed this. We'll sed anything that ends with a plus symbol. I don't know if we could do this. We replace that with nothing. Can we do that? Let's see here. Sed //. Oh, S. There we go. The answer. All right. We know bash. Over here. We can make it happen. Let's do this one last one. Print all files in the current directory recursively without the leading directory path. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. I know we can print all the files in the current directory recursively without the leading directory path. Oh, so it needs to print all the file names, but exclude the directory paths. So find .-type T or .type F. Print all files in current directory recursively, which we did without the leading directory path. So I'm guessing it wants me to get rid of all the paths. How do we exclude the path? Maybe what we could do is we could grep everything after the /. So O-op, and then we look for money, and then we go over here, we capture, and then it looks like A to Z, and a dot. And actually, I think we could just do that. And then we say plus. Hey, we did it! Hey, what's that? Hey, there you go. Did you know you could do that? I'm really glad that worked. Look at that one. That one's a pretty good one right there. All right, we did it.